What is the Sandbox, SAND? Sandbox was launched in 2011 by Pixowl and is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy and sell digital assets in the form of a game. Combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAO, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, the Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for a thriving gaming community. The Sandbox platform's main mission is to introduce blockchain technology in mainstream gaming successfully. The platform focuses on facilitating a creative play-to-earn model, which allows users to be both creators and gamers simultaneously. The Sandbox employs the powers of blockchain technology by introducing the SAND utility token, which facilitates transactions on the platform.